Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And guys, once again, I'm here. How are you all? I hope that all will be doing great and really doing hard work for their dreams. So, once again, I'm here for talking about an amazing topic. Today, I have chosen one topic that is very, very important for all the English learner. You know what? I have been asked one question so many times that ma'am, I am able to understand English language, but what is the reason? Because of that I am not able to speak in English language. Even I try to speak in English language, even I have knowledge about understanding English, whatever it's written in any book or copy, I can understand those all things easily, but I have problem only on speaking. So what should I do? What is the things, what is the topic that I can follow, and because of that topics I can get rid of this problem of not able to speak in English language. So tell me any tips or tricks so that we could start speaking in English language. So are you also looking forward to improve your English, or are you also looking for any tips that will help to start speaking in English language? So this video is for you, because in this video I'm going to share my opinion about this topic. Actually, this is not any topic, this is the problem of all the English learner. So if I talk about this problem, so let me introduce myself. My name is Chandrakala and you are watching this video, Learn English with Kala. So guys, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So why do we consider that it is a problem? Because it is a problem because when we start speaking in English language, with that time we only face this problem that we are unable to make sentences, we are unable to frame sentences. Because of that we do not speak in English language, but it is very easy to understand English words. You know what, when I was in class 12th I was able to understand everything, but when it came to start speaking, I was not speaking in English language, but in exam I used to write English. I used to give English exam. So in that exam, I used to write every answer in English language. So I was cramming all those things. I used to cram all those things because I was not getting anything. I was able to understand some of the words, but I was not able to make sentences. That's why I was cramming everything. So in this era, what is happening? We are able to understand English easily. We can understand English, but we are facing problem how to start speaking in English language, because we we do not try to speak in English language and we haven't spoken English language. That's why words do not come in our mind when we try to speak in English language. It is the first reason. Second reason is that when you start speaking in English language, that time you, or you always ask to yourself, you always doubt on yourself that you have never spoken, so it is not your cup of tea. You cannot speak in English language because it is not your cup of tea, it is not piece of cake to speak in English language. It is second thing that we create in our mind. And if I talk about third misconception about this English language, that is thinking about negativity, that English is only a language for foreigner, or it is not language for villager, right? We think about it, and mostly we think that a Hindi from medium background, we cannot speak in English language. Clear your basic grammar. It is the suggestion of this problem, that clear your basic grammar, and when you clear your basic grammar, you'll find that you will be able to make sentences easily, and the way that can help you to start speaking in English language. And we just think about speaking in English language, but we do not speak. That is the reason. Because of that we are not able to speak in English language. So if you have this kind of problem, that you can understand but you cannot speak in English language, so that is your disabilities, that you are not able to speak in English language, and you need to work on that. Where you know your weak points, so by knowing your weak points, work on that so that you could start doing that work. You could start improving those all issues that you have in your mind, right? So this is the only problem of all the learner. And please try to start speaking in English language. Once you start speaking in English language, you will find that things are very easy to learn, and you just need to create this kind of environment in your mind so that you could take everything in positive way. And while learning, while speaking, do not think about any other things, that I'm from Hindi medium background, I'm a villager, I don't have knowledge about English. You don't need to create, just to focus on speaking. Focus on basic grammars. You know, basic grammars are very important to frame sentences. Start framing sentences by knowing tenses, modal verbs, conjunction, to be, to have. These are basic grammars. Know about this, and after that, start framing sentences. I cannot believe that you do not know English. You do not speak in English language. In our daily conversation, we speak so many times English words. So how can we say that we are unable to speak in English language? We are able to, but continuously we just want to speak in English language. We want to talk to anyone in English language, but for framing sentences, for adding sentences, we are finding difficulties. That's why we think that we cannot speak in English language. We can understand, but we cannot speak in English language. So please remove this mindset from your mind that you cannot speak in English language. English can be spoken by anyone, right? If I am able to speak in English language just by practice, or you need to do practice every day, at least 5 minutes to practice. Only practice can make you perfect, or only by doing practice you will be able to speak in English language. So I hope that you got to learn that English can be spoken by anyone. And if you are not able to speak in English language, means you have misconception about English language, that English should be spoken without practice. If you are believing on this means line, so please do not believe on this line, because without doing any work we do not do that work. So start speaking in English language, and I hope that you got to learn something from this video. If I am able to speak in English language, if I am able to make you understand, so it means a lot. Please try to speak in English language, and only practice can make you start speaking in English language. So guys, if you like this video, so please do not forget to subscribe, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.